Open enrollment is coming. Let's fix it. Hey, every year we hear stories from prospective clients of how painful the open enrollment process is. Would you like us to fix it for you? That's rhetorical, of course, because who's going to say, "No, don't fix it. We prefer this pain." From the home base in Brookfield, Wisconsin, welcome to episode 159 of Inside Connect and Simplify, sponsored by the benefit companies. Roger here, human capital management consultant. And yeah, I know, for a large number of companies, open enrollment starts in a couple of months, as your insurance and benefit plans have a January 1 renewal date. The process is labor intensive with lots of moving parts, lots of decisions to be made, and let's face it, lots of options that need to be sorted through because every plan is different. We get that. We are in our 50th anniversary year this year as a company, and we've seen it. And back in January, podcast number 145 was all about a Google search I did, asking the question, why is open enrollment so painful? Listen to that episode on our website or do the search yourself. But set aside some time as that rabbit hole goes really deep. HR professionals and business owners did not hold back on how not user-friendly the open enrollment process is. And a couple of weeks back in episode 157, I stated, it's 6 months later and you still haven't fixed the problem. Now, maybe there was talk about fixing your process back in January. How's that going? So why am I talking about open enrollment in July? Because there's still time to fix open enrollment before the end of the year if you act now. One of my teammates, Tim, has over 25 years in the benefit space, and he just posted a countdown to open enrollment. There are 12 Mondays left until open enrollment starts. Are you getting ready? Here's what might make sense for your company. Our health and welfare account executives have an average of over 20 years with the benefit companies and in the health insurance industry. And our support and service teammates are also experienced in all aspects of training, employee meetings, claims, setup, and all the moving of data with the carriers. These teams have weekly meetings to keep current on all the changes and updates in the health insurance space, including changes in the offerings by the carriers, legislative updates, and updates on how our human capital management platform is handling electronic enrollment for our clients. And by the way, the insurance carriers are getting away from manual processing and forms and pushing towards an all-online electronic enrollment environment. So it's coming. If you're still using paper forms, you're going to need to change anyway. Want to learn more about electronic enrollment? Just ask. Our account managers and account executives customize the needs of every client regarding informational group meetings and/or individual meetings. If you want face-to-face, virtual, recorded sessions, just one meeting, multiple meetings across multiple shifts, let's plan for what you need. So why start talking with us now? Well, first things first, if you're looking to make a change in your broker to manage your plan, making a change now allows our team access to start working on your plan. It also allows our account executives time to read over your plan and to meet with you to get goals and expectations, educate you on the latest options, and set a timeline for the steps to get through open enrollment with you. This gives us time to introduce all of our teammates to your team and get comfortable with your preferred ways of moving data and answering all your questions. Now, as I've already stated, the majority of companies have renewals on January 1, so it is a busy time of year for every business owner as well. Starting the steps now get you ahead of all your typical Q4 business that squeezes you for time at the end of the year. Our goal is to alleviate some of that workload and stress in Q4, not add to it. Of course, the process we build with you captures all the eligibility options, keeps you compliant with all the regulations, and takes away the manual processes that lead to redundant steps and errors. Now, so far I've been talking about the impact on the business, which is you, the owner, and your teammates who have to navigate the process every year. So here's what the employees are dealing with. Employees find that the technical language, the jargon, if you will, the concepts around benefits, they're kind of confusing and overwhelming. They also have, a little trouble predicting their future needs regarding healthcare, and then choosing the right benefits that'll, potentially lead to a right or wrong decision. They also are dealing with time. It never seems like they have enough time to navigate the options and research them on their own and ask questions. And if the process is manual at all, the emails and paperwork can get to be too much. So, how can you make the process easier for your teammates? Well, automating the process will absolutely help. When each employee can go online, they only see the options available to them based on eligibility, and that eliminates some of the pain. Also, an automated process walks them through the steps, prompting them where to go next, what they need to fix, giving them closure that when they push the submit button, they know they're done and they haven't missed anything. They can see a summary of their selections and potentially the cost summary so they can see the impact on their paycheck. These are all stress relievers for your teammates. Now, can we do this for you for the upcoming open enrollment season? Well, the sooner we get started, the easier it will be for you and your teammates. It all starts with a conversation. Call me at 262-278-8522 and we can start a discussion. Or go to benefitsinc.com and fill out a contact form asking for a chat about open enrollment. Now, open enrollment is just one of the administrative tasks we take off of our clients' desks so they can get back to doing what they do best, which is grow their business. To see all of the administrative tasks we simplify for our clients, including payroll, human resources, benefits, retirement plans, and our human capital management platform, trademark Connect and Simplify, just go to benefitsinc.com to learn more. Hey, open enrollment doesn't have to be so painful for you and your employees. We can help. We've been doing it for 50 years. Thanks for listening. Be well.
I'm Kurt Otto, introducing the benefit companies. Between payroll, time management, human resources, health benefits, voluntary benefits, retirement plan, workers' comp, and ACA compliance, you likely have one super stressed office administrator utilizing multiple software platforms, struggling to keep up, who can't stay current with rules and regulations, or outsourced to multiple service providers who don't want to work together. A smooth running regulation compliant business administration is simple. Insource, your own hand-picked benefit companies team. The benefit companies plugs your business into a powerful platform allowing HR to stay in contact with payroll, to stay in contact with retirement plans, to stay in contact with insurance, to stay in contact with you. More than install, we join your team, managing reporting, supporting your business. You're in charge and free to run the business. You'll know your Insourced local business administration team by name. They look forward to supporting every aspect of human capital management. Insource, the benefit company. ConnectandSimplify.com.